Tired of doing everything the hard way in the kitchen? These modern Amazon gadgets are built to handle the work for you, mixing, chopping, cleaning, and cooking with effortless precision. They're sleek, smart, and designed to make every meal easier from start to finish. All the gadgets are linked in the description below. No more burnt fingers while cooking. These silicone pot handle covers slide right onto hot pan handles, giving you a safe, heat-resistant grip. The flexible design fits all shapes and sizes, from small saucepans to large cast iron skillets. Made from food-grade silicone, they withstand high heat and are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Compact, versatile, and practical, these covers make cooking safer and more comfortable every time. Slice fruits and veggies perfectly every time with this versatile vegetable slicer. You can easily adjust thickness from 0 to ½ an inch, whether you want thin salad slices or thicker cuts for cheese. Use it electrically with a simple switch or manually with a comfortable handle. Great for home or outdoor use. Sharp stainless steel blades give clean, precise cuts every time and are easy to swap out. The full stainless steel body is durable, rust-resistant, and simple to clean, making daily use effortless. Meet Red the Crab, a tiny helper that makes cooking less messy and way more fun. This silicone spoon rest holds your ladles, tongs, and spoons while keeping your countertops clean. Heat-resistant and non-slip, Red can handle steam, hot pots, and bubbling sauces without flinching. BPA-free and easy to wash, it's perfect for everyday use or gifting to kitchen lovers. Peeling apples has never been this fast or fun. This handy peeler, slicer, and corer gets the job done in seconds. Just crank the handle and watch it work. The flexible blades adjust to any fruit size, leaving thin skins and minimal waste. It comes with replacement blades and a simple slicer for extra convenience. Compact, easy to clean, and ready to make pies or applesauce a breeze. Keep your fruits and veggies fresher for longer with these clever food savers. Each container seals tightly around your produce, locking in moisture and blocking out air that causes browning. The flexible silicone design hugs everything from avocados to lemons and onions with a perfect fit. They're reusable, dishwasher safe, and easy to stack in the fridge. Less waste, more freshness, your leftovers just got an upgrade. Some jars just don't want to open, but this tool makes them surrender instantly. The twisting jar opener grips tightly, so you don't have to. Its large handle gives you all the leverage you need, even if your hands aren't at full strength. The non-slip base pad keeps everything steady while you twist. From tiny sauce bottles to giant pickle jars, you'll open them all with zero struggle. Pouring cereal or snacks shouldn't feel like a balancing act. These smart bag clips come with a built-in spout, so you can pour just the right amount without any spills or crumbs. The flip-top lid snaps shut instantly, keeping everything fresh and sealed. They're colorful, stackable, and make your pantry look perfectly organized. From chips to pet food, you'll pour, seal, and store like a pro. Get ready to shake up your cooking routine, literally. This clever rice and meatball maker turns prep time into fun time. Just fill, close, and give it a few shakes, and you've got perfectly round, even-sized balls ready to cook. It's great for rice, beef, or any mix you love experimenting with. Safe, easy, and surprisingly satisfying? You'll wonder how you ever made meatballs without it. Mix like a pro without the mess or muscle strain. This 2-in-1 mixer transforms from a hand mixer to a stand mixer in seconds, giving you total control no matter what you're baking. Whip cream, beat eggs, or knead dough with smooth, consistent power. The suction base keeps everything steady while you work, and cleanup's a breeze with dishwasher-safe parts. Baking just got a whole lot easier and more fun. Now this is for anyone who's ever wished for an extra hand in the kitchen. This automatic pan stirrer handles the mixing for you. Just place it in your pot, press a button, and it gets to work. It spins on its own with adjustable speeds and LED indicators to show the pace. Perfect for sauces, soups, or gravy, it keeps things moving while you focus on everything else. Scrubbing floors and tiles doesn't have to feel like a workout anymore. This cordless spin scrubber powers through grime with 2 adjustable speeds that handle everything from light soap scum to tough stains. The battery lasts long enough for a full deep clean, and the display shows exactly how much power you've got left. With 6 interchangeable heads, you can clean every corner effortlessly. Just charge, click, and let it spin. Grill smarter, not harder. This cordless rotisserie kit turns your oven or grill into a pro-style roasting station. No electricity needed. Just wind it up, and it automatically rotates your food for up to an hour. The stainless steel basket cooks everything evenly, from wings to veggies. Durable, eco-friendly, and built for both indoor and outdoor use, it's pure genius for effortless roasting anywhere. This gadget takes guesswork out of cooking. It's a digital spoon scale that instantly weighs ingredients right as you scoop them. Perfect for coffee, butter, spices, or even supplements, it gives precise readings on the LCD display. You can switch between multiple units, tear out containers, and lock your measurements in place. Lightweight, sleek, and super practical, its accuracy made effortless for your kitchen. Chopping just got a whole lot easier. This manual press chopper minces garlic, onions, and veggies in seconds. No power, no fuss. Just press the top and watch the stainless steel blades do their magic. It's compact, safe, and perfect for quick prep in small kitchens or outdoor cooking. When you're done, rinse or toss it in the dishwasher. Cleanup's just as simple. If cracking open pistachios drives you nuts, this little gadget will change that. This automatic shell opener makes snacking faster, cleaner, and way more fun. Just give it a quick turn, and it neatly separates the shells without crushing the nut inside. It's safe enough for kids to use and perfect for anyone who loves pistachios, but hates the mess that comes with them. Dinner just got 4 times more exciting. This multifunctional electric cooker lets you prepare 4 different soups or stews at once, perfect for family feasts or hot pot nights. Its 2,000 watt power heats up fast, so you're cooking in minutes, not waiting around. The non-stick interior makes cleanup effortless, and built-in safety features keep things worry-free. One pot, endless flavor combinations. Experience effortless egg perfection with this fully automated egg frying machine, built for busy kitchens that demand speed and consistency. Capable of cooking up to 80 eggs per hour, it delivers perfectly cooked results every time, from soft to hard-boiled. Ideal for restaurants, cafeterias, and breakfast spots, it streamlines egg preparation while maintaining top-notch quality. With its smart automation and efficient design, it takes the hassle out of breakfast rushes, letting you focus on flavor and service. Cleaning fish just got way easier. This fast fish scaler removes scales in seconds with its double-sided scraping blades. The stainless steel design handles both small and large fish without dulling or clogging. Its non-slip handle keeps your grip secure, even when things get slippery. When you're done, just rinse it underwater, quick, simple, and ready for your next catch. Tired of stale snacks and leaky bags? This clever little gadget seals and cuts plastic bags in seconds. Just slide it across the edge, and it locks in freshness instantly. No preheating, no mess. It's rechargeable, portable, and even has a magnet so you can stick it on your fridge. Perfect for sealing chips, veggies, or leftovers, keeping everything fresh wherever you go. Whip up fresh donuts quickly with this electric donut maker. Its stainless steel body and cast aluminum plates are built to last, while the non-stick surface makes donuts pop out easily and clean up a breeze. 6 donuts cook evenly at once thanks to the double-sided heating plates. You can set the temperature from 50 to 572 degrees Fahrenheit and use the 5-minute timer with lights and a buzzer to signal when they're ready. Craving homemade dumplings but hate the hassle? This 2-in-1 dumpling maker does all the hard work for you. It presses perfect dough wrappers and seals them into neat, uniform dumplings in seconds. Just fill, fold, and press. It's that simple. Made from food-grade plastic, it's safe, sturdy, and easy to clean. Fun for family cooking nights and perfect for dumplings, pierogies, or hand pies. Make perfect burgers every time with this UFO-style burger machine. The 3.9 baking pan fits standard buns, and larger buns keep ice cream burgers neatly in place. Stainless steel construction is durable, and the non-stick pan makes cleanup easy. The 180 degrees rotating press seals edges evenly, keeping ingredients secure on the go. Adjustable temperature and a 5-minute timer let you make savory or sweet burgers in minutes. Say goodbye to broken nails and messy spills. These colorful soda can openers make popping open any can a breeze. Just slip it on, lift the tab, and you're done. No pain, no hassle. Each one also doubles as a lid cover to keep your drink protected from dust and bugs. Lightweight, reusable, and perfect for picnics, parties, or everyday use. Parenting just got a little easier. This smart baby food maker handles steaming, blending, and even cleaning, all in one touch. Just pop in veggies, fruit, or meat, choose a preset, and it cooks and purees everything perfectly. The self-cleaning mode saves you precious time, and the BPA-free design keeps every meal safe and healthy. It's the helping hand every new parent wishes for. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.